In the last video, I talked all about the window object and how you can pretty much just ignore it completely. And in this video, we want to talk about the document object, which is incredibly useful all across programming in the browser. So to see exactly what this document object is, let's just console.log out document. We just type in document. This is exactly the same as if we typed window.document. They're both the same thing. We can just use document though, or window.document. It's going to print the same thing. As you can see, it prints out this weird like hashtag document. And when we open this up, you're going to see document is essentially just all of the HTML for our page. You can see this is the exact HTML of our entire page from this index.html here. So it's printing out the HTML of our page. And that's really useful because the document allows us to get elements from our HTML. It allows us to modify our HTML, create new elements to add into our HTML. It's really the way you interact with the HTML of your page. So for example, if we want to get the body, we could say document.body, and this is going to give us that body element of our document. We could also get, for example, document element, and this is going to give us just the HTML portion of our document. You can notice when we had just document here, it also gave us this doc type at the top, but if we just want to get the HTML element and everything inside of it, that's what document element is used for. Now, I also mentioned that you can create elements with document.createElement. So let's just come in here and we're going to create a new element and we're going to set it equal to document.createElement. And this is a function, and all you do is pass the name of the tag. So you can create, for example, a div, or you could create a span, whatever you want to create. We'll just create a span here, for example. And then we can, take our element. And if we want to put some text inside of this, we'll say .inner text, because now we have access to an element. And to specify the text, we say inner text, and we'll just set it equal to hello world. And now we just want to add that to our document body. So we could say document.body, because this is where we want to add this to. We could say .append child, and we pass in the element we want to add, which in our case is this element we just created. We're going to append it to the end of the body of our document. We click save, you'll notice nothing gets printed out. But if I pull over the page, you'll see that hello world has been appended to the end of our document. If I just shrink this down so it's on the right side of our screen, and I change this to like hello world 2 and save, you can now see it reruns and re-adds this element with the text hello world 2. So this document is super powerful and is really the gateway into interacting with everything inside of our browser, creating elements, selecting elements, adding events, modifying things. It's all done through this document object here. And in the next few videos, I'm going to explore all the different ways you can use this document object in more depth, but this video was really just a precursor to what the document object is and how you can use it to just create a simple element. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can select elements using their ID and their class with this document object, and I can't wait to see you in that video.